In this tutorial you will learn how to fix Marvel Rivals error. DirectX 12 is not supported on your system. First, press the Windows key plus R. Type devmgmt.msc and then press OK. Expand display adapters. Right-click your display adapter. Select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver software. Wait for the update to be installed. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now open your browser and search for NVIDIA app download. Click the official NVIDIA site from the search results. Once on the website, click Download to get the installer. When the download is complete, open the file and follow the instructions to install. Accept the terms and conditions and the app will automatically install on your computer when prompted. Choose between the game-ready driver or studio driver depending on your needs and click Next. Finally, click Done. And that's it. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Graphics. Make sure Desktop app is selected. Click on Browse. Open your C drive. Open Program Files x86. Open the Steam folder. Open Steam Apps. Open the Common folder. Open Marvel Rivals. Open the Marvel game. Select the Marvel executable. Click in Options. Select High Performance and then press Save. If you use the Epic Games Store, just locate your game's installation folder and do the same. Now launch your game.